go down this Avenida de Praia Grande. The name of the street is right over there, so you can see that Avenida de Praia Grande, and you can also see the people are able to go across the street now, which is kind of cool. And actually, as they come across, they'll also be able to go through. No, they're illegally going across. But in a minute, everybody will be able to go all four directions. So then we're going to capture that, and then we're going to go down our target street, which is Avenida Praia Grande. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So actually, this is kind of has like a little bit of a Times Square feel, and then there's actually another part of Avenida Praia Grande that way. It goes all the way down to Macau Tower, practically. And then you got tons and tons of people waiting for this light to cross. That's going to go across right now. So they're going to go across Avenida de Praia Grande. But you can also see, you can also go through the centerpiece as well. So it has a nice photogenic element to it. It's really nice with the, and we got all the people on this side as well coming across. So kind of cool. What we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down Avenida Praia Grande, which is this street right here. So I guess we're gonna kind of follow the crowd a little bit. I kind of also want to highlight whatever else we can highlight. So we do have all these kind of nice pillars here, so I'm going to go in a little bit. It looks kind of cool when you come in to this space here. Looks really cool. Okay, so let me let's come across like this. They're going to come across like this. Come down. Got some nice oxygen giving trees in the middle of the lane. Black and white tiles. Nice lantern lit up street in the evening. And I think all these people are waiting for the bus, so this is a bus stop right here. Bank. Okay, let me see. So we're gonna wait for this one right here, and you can also see Grande Lisboa Casino up that way. Grande Lisboa Casino, and now we can finally walk. So let's do that. Take it. That's the owner of a cathedral bar nearby. So we're gonna keep on walking down our street. So yeah, he owns the cathedral. Is like, it's a bar that's directly up here, up at the top. So it's up here to the left. So I think he was saying walk natural. Then he gave me a walking back, so I guess he saw some of my videos that I was traveling, and now of course I'm back in Macau. So okay, so we're on Avenida de Praia Grande, which actually means the street of the big beach. reason it's called that is because the ocean used to come right up to here. So this used to be an avenue on the beach. But all that stuff over to the other side is all reclaimed land now. So everything on that side is all reclaimed land. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down Big Beach Road. Yeah, I got a lot of videos out right now from traveling. I think I had some more to come as well, so you'll see those. But it is nice to be back in Macau. It is one of my favorite cities to be in, actually, to be honest. Not just because I live here, but because it's kind of a cool city. I mean, look at it. Interesting streets and interesting people. I don't know if you'll see my Xi'an China streets coming up, but I was just thinking there's most everybody is Han Chinese, so I'm the only foreigner around, even in the tourist sites. And here it's there's a lot of diversity. There's a lot of different people from across China. There's Filipinos, Indonesians, Portuguese, Australians, like the photo that just was on the screen, myself, an American person, and a mix of everything. So it's a nice feel to the city. Okay. So we're going to be ending it shortly. We're still in Avenida de Praia Grande. And you can see wind casinos way in the distance over there. Then that's our main street all the way down that way. Avenida de Praia Grande. We're going to cross the street in a second. And then the one that we're on right now is called Rua de Campo, which is like straight to the fields. Okay, let's keep on going across here. So that continues down our street that way. So we got a red light. Now we got a green light, so now we can go. So that's kind of where we were going before. And now we're going to try to get across here real quick. Now we're on the other side. So that's Avenida de Praia Grande, which is street of the Big Beach Road. And it continues on a little bit here. I'm going to come to an ending in a moment, so you can see the name of it right there, Avenida de Praia Grande. That little kiosk has some spy history. I guess back in World War II. I guess back, you know, the internet and things like that, people would use those to get information. And then I guess it became like a newspaper kiosk again back when people read newspapers regularly. I think they still have them in that kiosk right there, but anyways. That was our target street down that way, and it kind of continues on that way, and we're gonna end it. That faucet in that tree, and the Grande Lisboa in the background. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.